Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. Sorry for the late video for the December Patreon 2024 Part 1. I have finals this week and my last week for fall course, and we'll have a one month break. I'm very excited for that. I do need a break. But anyhow, we'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord down the link below. And also the links that we'll be looking at will be down below as well. So let's get started. So we got Heroes Infinite, your Warhammer proxy. Looks like we have Eldars and Sisters Asuritas as well for your thing. And we'll take a look at it. So we got the Void. I'm going to see if we get some music in it. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh well. But we have a new. I think the Void Elves. I think you can do Dark Eldars and Eldars on this one because the ships they have are mostly correspond with the Dark Eldars. But yeah, they have an Eldar right here. This could be the new Phoenix, new Sister Sortas with wings. I think these models looks a hell of a lot better than the one Games Workshop has made. Tell you the truth, I'm also looking forward to their new models of the Eldars. Even though I'm done with painting all my Eldars right now, but I'll be painting more freaking Eldars later on down the damn road. But yeah, these are very sexy and looking. Everything else as well. I do like it a lot. I do have a Sisters of Battle combat patrol I need to put together and build, but first I gotta finish all the old world and the Age of Sigmar models that I have before I work build more models on top of that as well. See, this one looks like the Dark Eldar ship that I remember. That looks pretty cool that you can make. It's $10. All you need is a 3D printer, or you pay me and I'll print it for you. That would be a good business model too. I wouldn't mind. I just got two new printers. We'll be up in the shorts hopefully in a few weeks, but I have to redo the whole garage for the printing farm as well. Well, yeah, this is a big ass ship. You can make it how big you want as well. Become an overlord and access all. It is pretty cool too. This looks like the 30K version of it, but yeah, the Eldars, and you have the freaking Custodes and Imperium. Yeah, it looks really cool. Now this looks like a Dark Eldar look right here. You got I think a Dreadnought or one of the Titans. I forgot. I think this is one of the Titans or the Dreadnought. I think, no, that's Dreadnought. See how small it is. But you see the boobsy and everything. Boobies are great in many ways. Modular sceneries. So you have your terrains. You can build a lot of things. I do want to build a war gaming table. I do have a gaming table, but I need to do more buildings to it. But this looks awesome, to tell you the truth. Why can't Game Workshop make something like this? I think that'll be it for that. Check them out down below. Arch Villain Games. They do fantasy and sci-fi. The sci-fi ones you can probably do proxies for Warhammer. The fantasy is mostly for D&D. So you got the Frozen Echoes and the Hunt pack. Looking at this, looks like those Croots proxies for the Tau. Let's see here. There's a Demon Sword. Some of these you can probably just proxy them for your Chaos as well. This looks more for Croot. That's a badly. Looks like a stone wrapped up. Looks like a mechanical golem, but it could also could become a dreadnought too. A Jeltagard golem. We got a Volt Grazer Phoenix. Looks like a phoenix that had been touched by the plague. Then we have the Slow Gloom. That's pretty good looking. This one looks from the Age of Sigmar, the reptilians. I forgot what they were called. Skinks, I believe they're called. I don't remember. But yeah. The Wayfinder. Ulak Jauntborn. Barbarian. Yeah, these looks pretty damn cool. Oh, that looks pretty cool with the tentacles, claws. Iron Shell Yorling 1, Yorling 2. This will be pretty cool to have. Especially if you do like a Cthulhu game. That would be pretty cool. Here's some more Kroot stuff. They look more like Predator than the Kroot with the helmets when they're wearing. A Draugr. If you go out in the Icewind Dale and face them, they're usually in the northern region of the Viking setting if you're doing that. Ice Store Horror 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Sharkling Marauder 1, or 2, and 3. They're really good. That reminds me of one of those little small aliens in Halo. That little say shit and runs. But yeah, that's pretty damn cool. Is that an elder brain with giving them arms and a little arm? That's real psychophage. That's really interesting with a brain and there's a mouth and a tongue coming out of it. That is really gnarly looking. Going against that, yeah, you can make some good storyline for that as well. I don't think they use guns in the Age of Sigmar, so you may have to take that out and replace it with something. Oh, there's Archvillain. Let's see, Clay, Cyanide Miniature. Uh, I think they already got November already done. They were doing the characters from the Black Wukong as well. I don't know what they're going to be for December. It's going to be another Black Wukong inspiring stuff, so that's actually pretty good. A mini Monster Mayhem. They're doing the I think the Advent calendar, 25 Dragon Christmas special. Some of these are pretty much old that I already have, and some of these I don't mind reprinting. I want to reprint that sucker, the feather T Rex. It's not a dragon, so let's see here. December, little different, little taller. So I think they're going to make another Tiamat standing on its tail on the base. That'll be pretty cool. I don't know if they have the whole thing for it, but Christmas special release. Yeah. Well, if you guys want to check more out them, check out the link down below as well. Purdue Deception, monster. We have Mushroom Hag. Looks like some kind of a wasp. Silver Beetle, Dragon Head, Frog. I think we solved this. This is November. Where's December? I don't think December has been out yet, but keep an eye out for it. I might put it in for the next video for it. Beasteria miniatures. This is like Dark Souls and Elden Ring type of dark and grim miniatures you want to do for your game. You might actually use these on your Dark Souls game, RPG game, and the board game as well. So we got the Butter Rat, the Piper Beyond, Musical Squeak. That poor freaking rat. We got the Enthralled Urchins. Yeah, freaking swarm rat. That rat swarm looks. That poor Matt. He getting eaten by rats. This one is Wraith of the Guild. This is more like the Forest Druid. Probably got Corrupted, Root Host Treant, the Green Man, the Druid Tribune, Wood Elf Remnant. And we should have the heroes as well. The Bloodborne Dragon, Old Blood Anointer, Priest of Moloch. And that'll be your hero for your thing. And you have the adventures that comes with it as well. Twin Goddess miniatures. For this, we will have Goblin, Golem, Artificer, and I don't know who she will be for it in many ways. Let's see here. Magma Golem Maker, Magma Golem, Lady Visk, Necromancer Slime Golem Maker, Necro Slime Golem, Percy the Robo Golem Maker, and Robo Golem 2 pose for it. And they're pretty good. The slime Maker right there. That's actually pretty cool. We have another elf. And the makings of that as well. And yeah, that'll be it for today. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page and Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day. Bye.